Let's take a closer look at this plastic storage bin for your shoes. How many times have you had to dig through all of your shoes, piled into a corner, into your closet? Well, this is the way to be organized. So you can see here that this plastic bin has a clear door that opens up on the front. You can see what's in there. I have one pair of shoes in here, but they can handle 2 and 3 pairs of maybe sandals. But anyways, the particular container is 10.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and 13.5 inches deep. Okay, you have to assemble these plastic containers, but they have 9 of them in a kit. You can see how easy it would be to stack them in your closet or in your garage, wherever you need to store all of your shoes. And here you can see we have all 9 boxes for our shoes organized in our closet. And I'm going to put this 9th box back on the stack, and you can see how well they are organized and out of the way. I highly recommend them.